Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well, and I want to welcome you to Fema Cooks and Eats. As you can see, I made a delicious pizza today. This is no ordinary pizza. This is a steak pizza with lots of fresh vegetables inside it. I'm going to teach you how to make all of this. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here. Hit that bell icon. So I'm going to start with the vegetables. I have 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, and a couple mushrooms that have been thinly sliced for the topping. I have 1 pound of steak meat. As you can see, it's very thinly sliced so that it cooks very quickly. I'm going to start sauteing my vegetables in about 2 teaspoons of oil. You want a nice hot pan so that the vegetables, as soon as they hit the pan, they start cooking off. I'm adding about a teaspoon of crushed garlic, salt to taste, and some black pepper. Saute this just for about a minute on a very high heat. Toss the vegetables around, and this is done. You don't want to overcook these. And I'm just going to put them out on a plate, let them cool. In the same pan, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of oil, some garlic, and the steak meat. I'm going to stir fry this steak on a high flame. This meat is going to cook within minutes because it's super thinly sliced. I'm adding some black pepper, salt to taste, garlic powder, crushed red chili flakes, and just saute this until there are no more juices of the meat left in the pan and the meat is nicely golden. My meat is almost done now. It looks fabulous and it smells incredible. The meat is golden brown, ready for the topping. Now I'm going to preheat my oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm also going to oil my pizza tray with about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to sprinkle some semolina on it as well. It makes the crust really crisp. I'm going to lightly flour the surface where I will be rolling out my pizza dough, and if you do not have a pizza dough recipe, I have the best recipe for you. I'm going to put the link in the description box. Roll out your pizza dough until it's about a 1/4 inch thick, 1/4 to a 1/2 inch thick, and then bake it for 4 to 5 minutes until the bottom of the crust is golden. Flip the crust. Now add your sauce. I'm adding cheddar cheese and mozzarella. Now I'm adding all of the vegetables that I stir fried in the beginning. The mushrooms, the peppers, and the onions. Spread them around all the way to the edges. And this is optional if you wanted to add some fresh baby spinach. My husband loves it, so I usually add spinach to the pizza. And now top it with all your steak. Top your pizza with a little bit more mozzarella and bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it looks this good. Golden, delicious, crispy pizza. I'm going to cut this into slices. And bon appetit. This looks awesome. I'm ready to dig into this delicious cheesy steak goodness. There is no way we're gonna have any leftovers tonight. I served my pizza with a green salad so that I know it's guilt-free and healthy. Well, I want to thank you everyone for watching, and stay tuned. I have a bunch of great Ramadan recipes coming up. Thank you for watching. See you next time.